Hello students, let us start with the worksheet of SS Civics chapter Elections. Put today's date, then write question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A. India is the largest democracy in the world. B. Elections in a big country like ours needs a lot of planning and organization. C. The Election Commission conducts elections in India. D. In India, there are many political parties. E. The political party which does not win the elections forms the opposition. Question number 2. Choose the correct answer. A. The age at which you can start voting in elections. So the answer is number 3, 18. B. This organization has been created to conduct elections in India. Answer is number 2, Election Commission. C. This is the card that the voter is supposed to carry with him or her where he or she goes to vote. So the answer is 1, identity card. D. To conduct elections, the country is divided into smaller areas called number 4, constituency. E. The political party which does not win the elections forms the number 1, opposition. Now question number 3, match the following. Here you have to match A with B. A. Voters in India. So here 18 years of age and above. B. Political parties use different symbols. C. Candidates take part in the elections. D. You should vote only. So once in an elections. E. Elections. So here should be free and fair. Now question number 4. Unscramble the letters to form the correct words. A. Leaders are elected through this process. So the answer is voting. B. People who elect their leaders are called voters. C. Minimum age for voting in India 18. D. Responsible for conducting elections, Election Commission. E. Voter go to this place to vote, polling booth.